Today we will learn how to make anamorphic images. These are 2D images which, using perspective, are made to look 3D. You start by taking an A4 size sheet of paper. Then place your object on top of it. Make sure the entire object is inside this paper. Take a picture of this setup. Now the camera stays untouched. Import the image onto the computer. Open Photoshop. Go to the File menu and select New. Make an A4 size canvas and don't forget to change its color mode to CMYK. Click Create. Then import your image to Photoshop. Right click on the image layer and rasterize it. Now select along the top and bottom edge of your sheet of paper. Go to the Select menu, select Inverse and then press the Delete button. Resize the image now to fit your cropped image into the A4 size document. Take the image down to the bottom of the page. Go to the Edit menu, Transform and select Perspective. Warp the image so that the left and right edges of the image coincide with your document. Press Enter. Then stretch the image to match the top edge with your Photoshop document. Now go to the File menu and select Print. Click on the Print button. Once you have your printed image, cut out a straight line through your printed image without touching the object. This will make it look more interesting. Cut out half the paper and align it for your camera or for your viewers. Shall I lift it?
Yeah.